You're gonna love the 2018 Audi RS3. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. The driver-centered RS3 delivers customizable technology, aggressive performance, and uniquely alluring design. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, backup camera, heated front seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers, four-wheel ABS. Why just drive when you can drive the RS3? We'll put you behind the wheel today.